Going back to school after the holiday break didn't mean a return to the classroom for every student.
Many were back to remote learning as the number of COVID cases among children rise. CBS 2's Kevin Rincon has more now on the impact of this troubling trend.
In the early days of the pandemic, kids were rarely getting COVID, but that's not the case anymore.
Things have definitely changed.
Dr. Oyeku at Montefiore Children's Hospital says last week alone there were 325,000 new pediatric cases of COVID across the country, and the symptoms aren't always mild.
COVID specifically, we're seeing an inflammation of the lower airways, something called bronchiolitis. We're also seeing children presenting with croup, which is like a barky cough. We're also seeing our young babies presenting with fever.
For Lisa and her daughter Joey, COVID hit hard.
It is nothing like the flu. Roundabout vomiting, never ending. And finally she says to me, "I don't think I'm going to make it, Mom, I'm sorry."
Joey was 17 when she spent 2 weeks at the hospital in 2020, not long after she was diagnosed with MIS-C, a rare complication from COVID.
This is it. I'm going to die. That's how I felt.
More than a year later, she says she still has symptoms like fatigue. The two of them are now vaccinated, though vaccines were not around when she got sick. Their message?
If you're lucky and you beat it, then you got lucky, the way I look at it.
They say vaccinations are a choice, but one they believe could help prevent families from the pain that they've gone through.
I believe it's going to help people. It won't put them in hospitals.
Dr. Oyeku at Montefiore says one concern parents often cite in their reluctance to get the vaccine for their kids: fertility.
We know that it does not have any impact on fertility because our nurseries are very busy right now.
She and other medical experts say vaccinations are the key to lowering hospitalizations in every age group, but throughout the tri-state area, fewer than half of kids 5 and up have gotten their vaccines. In Hoboken, Kevin Rincon, CBS 2 News.